Welcome everyone. Today we will paint an apple and color it. Let's start. Draw a simple pattern with a black mark pen. First, draw the outline of the apple on the left side. The rod. The leaf. Then draw the apple with a pair of big eyes. A laughing mouth. And 2 clips of blush. Then draw the apple on the right, top, the bottom part, the mutilated body, the pole, the leaves, finally the caterpillar, the eyes, the slender body, the small mouth. The body is striped. The simple picture is done now. It's great to bold a simple stroke with a maker pen. Let's start coloring. Brown, green, light green, light yellow, flesh, rose, pink, red, grass green, light yellow, light green, green, gray violet, orange, purple, light yellow, blue, rose. Our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.